Mega Mechatronics.
Hey, it's Mega Man with Mega Mechatronics, and here's a little quick update. It looks like we're gaining some popularity with the Tuning 101 series, and that's awesome. I thought there was a gap on the internet, or a gap on YouTube, as far as a comprehensive place or comprehensive video that kind of gets all of the main concepts out there as far as engine recalibration and what it's going to take. So I think the next steps, we have 5 parts with that, and I think we should continue it with part 6. And basically a case study. And the way I think everyone out there, if you're excited and motivated to learn calibration, the only way you're going to do it is to learn by doing. Really, is getting out there. I don't think a book can give you all of the information like maybe some other topics that can get you close. I think you got to get out there and tune yourself. But we can try to aid that by creating a case study. And in this example, we're going to look at a Chevrolet Cruze, first gen United States version with the 1.4 liter turbo. And I know it's not the fastest vehicle, it's not the sexiest, it's not the coolest thing out there. It's just a test mule. So let's frame it that way. This is just a test mule, because everything that we're going to do is going to be very, very, very similar to whatever vehicle application you're going to look at. So I think a lot of the concepts will transfer across the board, even if we just look at one specific platform. This has the GM E78 control module, the PCM. So we'll get into that. We'll look at some GM terms, but I think it's a thing of semantics as far as what one company calls it this, another company calls it that. But it's really, we're trying to get the air-fuel ratio, spark timing. That stuff is basics, so everyone does it. Well, I hope you stick around, hit that bell, subscribe, hit the like, comment if you prefer, and I really, really appreciate your support. Thanks, everyone.